Hello everyone, so let's start with your grade 6 math final. That's on Monday. So let's start. We're starting with chapter 3, section 3. So 3.1x minus 1.2 plus 7.1x plus 8.8. What is the best way to do this is to group the ones that you can actually add or subtract. So how do we do that? We do 7.1x, 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 and then remember the signs. Don't make a mistake about the signs. So plus 3.1x, 3.1x, right? And let's solve that now. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and then 10.2. So remember, don't make a mistake in adding. This is like you're losing free marks if you do that. So put them like this, the decimals underneath the decimal, and just add them. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10.2, 10.2x. Don't forget the x here, you'll get confused by which one is the variable term and which one is the constant term. So you'll get 10.2. The next one, what it is that 8.8, 8.8 minus 1.2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7.6. So that will go here. Remember, don't make mistakes because I know these questions are easy, but place the numbers where they're supposed to be. So the 10 is supposed to be it's a variable term, so it's supposed to be next to the x. And the 7.6 where the number is, so 7.6. Let's go to the next one. This one again, what is the constant term? So constant term is without any alphabet next to it. So 20 minus 2, that gives you 18. The next one, variable term, is the one that has the alphabet next to it. So 8y is positive and 8y again is positive. So two positives, remember, you add them. Same sign, you add them. So 8y plus 8y. What will that be? 16y. Positive 16y. You can either add the positive sign or without it, it's fine. Now here, what is the variable term in 6x plus 2 minus 4x minus 12? Now the variable terms you know is 6x and minus 4x, right? So you pair them up together, 6x minus 4x, group them up, and then you just solve. So what's 6x minus 4x? That's 2x. So just write that here, 2x. Remember, don't forget to be careful about the signs, right? So here, why did I say it's positive? Sorry, the x is a bit weird. Why did I say it's positive? It's because the number, which is larger, which is 6, has a positive sign next to it. So I'll keep it as positive. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you need any sessions, you can always reach out to me. Okay, you have my email, you have my number in one of the comment sections. I don't know exactly where it is, but you can find it. So 23, okay, now again, we'll pair up. Minus 5x will go by itself because there is no other term with x next to it. Remember the terms that are 5x and another term, variable term, which will have positive or negative 6x or 5x, only you can pair those up together. Here we don't have any other number that has an x next to it. So we'll keep it as it is and we'll just write 5x here. The other one, 23 plus 11. So 23 plus 11, remember, they're both positive answers. So 23 plus 11. So 23 plus 11 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 34. There you go. Got the answer, 34 minus 5x. The next one, again, there is one which is 10x is alone. So you'll just put 10 here. Remember, it's positive. So you just write it as it is. There's no other term with x, so you cannot subtract or add anything with 10x. Then 41. Remember, they're different signs, so don't forget 41 is positive and it's minus 16. So when they're different signs, what do? We subtract. So let's put the circle around that. You can subtract that. You'll be getting, just a minute, a 6 minus 30. Sorry. So 30, no, just give me a second. You'll be getting, no, not 10x. You'll be getting 25. So let's write that here, 25. The next one, Now we're on question number 6, sorry. Yes. Now we're on question number 6. Let's start. So here, what do you do again? I know a lot of students struggle with this question, but it's the same thing. What do you do here? The best way to solve this is that first pair them up together. So 6, 1 over 5, x minus, don't forget, keep the signs, the ones, if it's negative, keep it like right next to it, right here, don't forget it, don't make it positive while you're grouping them together. So now here what you can do is that you can make this into a fraction. So you multiply and you add both of them. You multiply and you add. Why are we doing this? We're making the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 30 plus 131 over 5 minus 10, 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1, 11 over 5. So what's this? Now 31 minus 11 over 5, what do you get? You get 20x over 5. Now 20x over 5, when you simplify it, remember when you simplify it, what do you get? 4x. And automatically, you can directly go to the answer and you can say, where is there? There's 4x only. You can find it here. But we will also do the other part. We will go and we will do 7 1 over 8, which is positive, minus 5 1 over 8. Now remember, why are we converting it into an improper fraction? Because look at the numerators. They're 1 minus 1. You can't do 1 minus 1, you'll get a 0. 0 over 8 is it's undefined, so you cannot solve it like that. So you have to multiply and add. Make it an improper fraction. Multiply and add. And this is why you make it a mixed number into a fraction. So 8 times 7 is, you'll get 8 times 7 is, 8 times 7 is 56, plus 1, 57. 57 over 8. And then you get minus, 8 times 5 is 40, 41 over 8. Right? So now again, check this, is that which number is larger? 57. What sign does it have next to it? Positive. So the answer will also be positive. So just write a positive sign in here. Subtract them, 57 minus 41, you'll get 16. 16 over 8. Now 16 over 8, what do you get? 2. So there you go. This is your answer for x plus 2. The next one, the following one, you do the same thing. You do 7 minus 7 point x. You group the like terms together. 7.6x minus 2.3x. You subtract them together. So 7.6 minus 2.3, what do you get? You'll get 5.3. So we have 5.3x. Let's write it here. Remember which number is larger? Just a minute. Remember which number is larger? 7.6, right? So what sign does it carry? Positive. So 7.3x, so 5.3 will also be positive. Plus 5. Now how did we get 5? It's 10.1 minus 5.1. You put this is how you subtract decimal numbers. Please keep that in mind. Don't make a mistake. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Put the decimal, drop it just down as it is in its same position. 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is the answer. Let's go to the next one. 7.2x. Let's change the color of the crayon. So 7.2x, let's group that together. 7.2x minus, here it's a bit easier because they grouped it already for us. Right, so again, let's decide what is the sign. The sign here is going to be positive. Why? Because 7.2 is larger and it's positive. So 7.2 minus 1.4. So what is this? 6. This is 12. This is 12 minus 4 is going to be 8. 6 minus 1 is going to be 5. 5.8 with this answer will be 5.8x. Okay, the next one, it's going to be 3 minus 3.5 and 10.5. Now let's do that. So we got 5.8x positive for the first one. And the next one, 10.5 minus 3.5. 5.5. So 5 and 5 is 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. You get 7. And what is the sign? Now remember, 10.5 is the larger number and the sign beside it is positive. So we follow that sign. So 7. 5.8 plus 7. Let's go to the next question. Then we have this. 19x plus 21 minus 4x. Again, you'll group the like terms together, which is 19x minus 4x. So what will this be? It will be 19x minus 4x is 15x. Just directly write it here, 15x. And then the next one is it's just 21 because there is no like term that we can subtract or add with it. So 6.9y is positive. 6.9, let's write it. 6.9y minus 3.9y. There are terms, one is positive, one is negative. What do? 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, so 3. We'll just put here 3, 3.0. You can either write 3 or you can write 3.0. And the other one is 1.5. Just write 1.5 directly, and they've kept the negative sign here. Remember, check. If they've written the negative sign here, don't put the negative sign next to the number. Just put it directly 1.5. Just be careful of these small tiny details so you won't make mistakes in the exam. The next one is minus 4 1 over 3 plus 6 3 over 7. Again, we'll group the like terms. 6 3 over 7 minus 2 3 over 7. Right? So we will do the same thing like we did previously. What did we do last time? We grouped the like terms together and then we made it into improper fractions. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. 45 over 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 over 7. Now when you subtract it, what do you get? 28 over 7. So 28 over 7 gives you equals to 28 over 7x. Don't forget the x sign because you'll get confused where exactly to put it, right? So sorry, let me just add the x sign. So 28 over 7 would be at 4x. Remember, 45 is larger, it's getting the positive sign, so we will just do that sign, so 4x. The next one is the like terms. The other ones, 10 1 over 3 minus 4 1 over 3. Now you multiply and you add, so you get 30 31 over 3 minus 12 13 over 3. Okay, so 31 minus 13, you'll get 18 over 3. 18 over 3. 18 over 3 is 6. So just write beside it 6. The next one is you get 5.3x. So 5.3x minus 1.8x. Okay, so 5.3x minus 1.8x, what do you get? You get 3.5x. Just write that here, 3.5x. And the next one, please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Always ask me in the comment section below. And you can book a session with me, even for like a few questions. If you have done revising, if you have a few doubts, you can always book a session. And either it can be group or private one. So the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe. So the next part is 9.7 minus 2.4. Just group them up together. You know 9.7 is positive. It's larger, so we'll carry that sign. They already carried it here. And then what do? It's 7.3. So right here 7.3. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now the next one, quiz is already, we have already opened it. So let's continue with this one. So here, this is chapter 4, section 2, right? So that's what we're covering right now. Now what happens is that in the first question that you'll have is, imagine there is a person, let's say, okay, just a minute. There is a person and he's swimming. He swims, like for example, any person, we could take Ahmed. Okay, so we'll take Ahmed, let's just write AH, and he is swimming in 5 minutes. Okay, he swims faster and he's swimming in 5 minutes. Okay, now what happens is that there's another student, let's say his best friend, Muhammad. Let's write MOH. Okay, Muhammad, and he takes 15 minutes, right, to swim, to finish that same time, at the same distance that Ahmed covered, like one lap of swimming. He takes 5 minutes and Muhammad takes 15 minutes. Now, how can you write it another way as well? That Muhammad, right, takes Ahmed's time, which is 5 minutes, plus 10 minutes. Okay, this is how you write it. So Ahmed's time is what? 5 minutes. You can also write it like this so you understand it better. plus 10 minutes. This is how you have to understand Stefan's and Bob's swimming. This is how they relate them together, right? So this is, instead of saying Muhammad, I can write here Bob, right? Bob. And instead of writing here Ahmed, I can write Stefan. Okay, let's erase Ahmed and we can write Stefan. S-T-E-P. Right, Stefan? So Bob is equal to Stefan plus 10 minutes extra. That's what happens, is that's what we talk about here as well. So Stefan is swimming faster, right? So that's 25, 1 over 5. Let Z stand for time in seconds. Stefan completes the distance faster than Bob. So plus Z. Right? The time that stand for the time that Stefan completes the time faster than Bob, and equals to 25 over 3 over 10. This is when you add these two, then you get Bob's time. I hope you guys understand from Ahmed and Muhammad's like how we solve that. So which is that equation is this one. When you solve it, it's easy. You just take it to the other side. It's 25, 3 over 10 minus 25, 1 over 5. So what do you get here? You get here 3 minus 1 is 2. Sorry, before we do that, we need to make the denominators the same. So time multiply here by 2, multiply here by 2. What do you get? 25 minus 25 is 0, just keep it 0. 3 minus 2, it will be 1. And 5 times 2 is 10, so the denominator stays the same, so 10. So the answer is going to be 1 over 10. Please don't memorize these answers. I know a lot of students, what do? Is just to get done or to tell their parents that they're done with the quizzes. They memorize the answers. It's not going to help you in the exam. The questions change and everything changes, so please understand them before you go into the final exam. So Mr. Thomas weighs his suitcase ready for his vacation and finds it to be heavy. He takes out the shoes that weigh 1.4 kgs. Now the suitcase weighs 9.5 kgs. Let N stands for initial weight of the suitcase in kilogram. So now here what happens is that Mr. Thomas, his initial weight was N, right? Let's denote it with N because they denote that with N. Now he takes out. What does take out mean? We know that whenever we studied also in our previous case when we were younger, take out means subtraction. 1.4 kgs. So N minus 1.4 kgs. Now the suitcase is weighing 9.5 when he removes his shoes. So 9.5. Now what do you get? N minus 1.4 equals 9.5. This is the equation. That's exactly what we're looking for, right? Now you take the 1.4 to the other side. What would you do? 9.5 plus 1.4. What is that? 9 and 10. 10.9. 10.9 is the answer. The next one again, what will you do here? Just move the 7 point. Again, we want to make x. So we're looking for the x equation. So we just move this to the other side. It will be 7 over 9 minus 11 over 18. So now this is going to be, we're going to multiply this by 2 to make the denominator same first. So that's going to be 14 over 18 minus 11 over 18, right? So what is that? 3 over 18, which is 1 over 6, right? Let's go to the next one. Just give me a second. When we have minus 11 over 20, and then we just, again, we'll make the x alone, and we'll take minus 7 over 10. And then we take the minus 11 over 20. Remember, when we take it to the other side, the sign changes. So it becomes plus 11 over 20. So when we have plus 11 over 20, we want to make the denominators the same now. So times 2 times 2, what do you get? 14 minus 14 over 20. Over 20. And plus 11 over 20. Okay, this is 20. Please don't get confused. If you have any questions, remember always comment down below. I'll help you with them. So minus 14 over 20, what do you get? Minus 3 over 20. So we just choose the answer here, minus 3 over 20. Let's go to the next one. Again, just take this to the other side. W plus 4, you take it to the other side, the sign changes, becomes minus 4. Minus 11 minus 4 gives you minus 15. Remember here, they're the same signs. If it's positive, positive, you still add. When it's negative, negative, you still add. And the signs, remember, they're both the same sign, so just put the positive sign. In this one, they're both negative, just put the same sign. But when it's positive, positive and negative, what do? You subtract, right? You subtract and you take the sign of the larger number. Let's go to the next one. Here you have 4 equals to z minus 19. You take minus 19 to the other side. What do you get? 23. So just write 23 here. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Now r is equals to, so 1 over 4 to the other side. We take it to the other side, so 3 over 8 minus 1 over 4. You multiply here by 2, you multiply above by 2. Right, so it's going to be 3 over 8 minus 2 over 8. What do you get? 1 over 8. You don't have to simplify it further because it's 1 over 8. What will you simplify 1 with? So 1 over 8. The next one. Now here, the same thing, 6.5. You take it to the other side, becomes negative 6.5. So minus 3.2 and minus 6.5, same signs. What do? We add. So we'll just add them. It's going to be 7, 9, 9.7. Negative 9.7. So you put the negative sign here. Above, they have it for you. A negative 9.7, sorry. Okay, again, just do it here. You're going to take 22 to the other side. What do you get? You get a is equals to 8 for the first one because it's 30 minus 22. You get 8 for the first one, the above one. Then for the bottom one, you're getting negative and negative. So a is equals to minus 30 minus 22. So minus 30 minus 22 is what? Minus 52. So again, just put the negative sign. Negative 52. Let's go to the next one. Now here, what will you do? You take x equal plus 5. You take it to the other side. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5, what do you get? 6. And the larger number, which is 11, has a positive sign. So you just put 6 here. The next one. Again, what will you do here? It's y minus 1.2. You take it to the other side, becomes positive 1.2. So y is equals to 1.5 plus 1.2, right? So what does that give us? 2.7. 2.7. Okay, the next one here, you do the same thing. Minus 6.5 plus 1.1. 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, but remember which number is larger, 6.5. What sign is it carrying? Negative. So it will be negative 5.4. Again, okay, here, this one also confusing students, but they just given you steps. They're solving it for you. Remember, what do? When usually we have y plus 5 over 12, we take this to the other side. They did that step for us. So 7 over 3 minus 5 over 12. Now remember, what do they want the denominator as? As 12, right? So you're just going to multiply here by 4, and you're going to multiply above by 4. So they also told you what denominator they want. That's given to you in the answer. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 over 12 minus 5 over 12. So what is that going to be? 28 minus 5 is 23 over 12. So just choose that, 23 over 12. The next one, what do we have? It's minus 7 over 3, y plus 5 over 12. Again, they did the first step for you, so minus 7 over 3 minus 5 over 12. What do? You add them. Sorry, before you add them, you keep the denominator the same. Times 4 times 4, you get 28. So you get minus 28 over 12 minus 5 over 12. So you add them. So minus 28 minus 5, what do you get? You get minus 33 over 12. So the minus sign is already written there, so you don't have to write the minus sign, just write minus 33 over 12. The next one is, again, you'll just take the x plus 0.25, take it to the other side. It'll become negative 0.25, and you solve it. What do you get here? You get that 2.55 for this one. And remember, the positives, 2.8 is a larger number, it's positive, so we just follow the sign of that one. So 2.55, the next one will be 13. Sorry, question number 13. Again, 15 minus 12, because the sign of 12 will change to negative, so negative 12. So 15 negative 12 is going to be 3. The next one, 6 plus, 11, y minus 6, right? Take it to the other side, becomes 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 gives you 17. So just write 17. Let's go to the next one. The last question of this quiz and of this video. So 1.5 plus 0.25. You take minus 0.25 to the other side. The sign is already there. So 1.5 minus 0.25. Now you know that the larger number is 1.5. You subtract minus 0.5 like this. You put the 0 above. Make this 4. Make this 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1.25 is your answer. Okay, everyone, take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Good luck for your exams. Bye-bye.